What's up, guys? Erasable Crab here. Welcome back to another video on the Automotive Channel. Today we're going to be doing a comparison between this Icon 800 lumen rechargeable flashlight and this Illumibrite flashlight that retails for $9. I got this Icon on sale for $25. So with the Illumibrite, it's just one bar, one setting, or actually no, it's not. It's two bars. You get one at the top and then one at the front. But other than that, there's just that setting and that setting, and that's it. You get magnets on the back. This one takes 4 AA batteries. It does have batteries included, however. So $9 with 4 AAA or 4 AA batteries included. Has this nice hook here, so you can stick it magnetically or you can hang it. Pretty nice power button. I like the grip on it. It's not, I don't think it's rubber, but it's a different type of plastic and it feels pretty good in the hand. It does scratch up a little easily, but I don't care about that as long as it's not on the actual light bar part, which it's not. Here we have the Icon, nice power button, nice coating on it. I believe it is rubber. Nice texture on the actual base of the flashlight. Magnetic base. You got the Icon logo right there. You have a battery indicator and charging port right there. And on the Icon, you get this front light. You get this, here, I'll turn it on. So you get that front light. You get this long bar with 2 settings. And then on the back, you even get another bar with 2 settings. And the front bar goes up to 800 lumens. It only folds 180, so it just goes like that. And that, it doesn't go a full 360. But where the magnetic base is so powerful, it does have a nice secure grab on it when it is folded. So it folds down pretty slimly. You can see it's pretty much in line with, well, not in line, but just a little bit longer than the handle on the Illumibrite. So the Illumibrite is longer. I like this style of work light, but this is a slim bar work light. This is better for if you're like working on a car under jack stands and, you know, you're working at home, versus something like this, I would say is more useful if you're on a lift, because you get the nice long bar. You have more space on a lift, so sometimes having a flashlight like this underneath jack stands, you can't actually get it to where you need to see, versus the thin bar where, you know, the thickest part is the base, so you can, you know, get it in all those weird angles that you need to. And even having that backlight sometimes helps. So with that said, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I will see you in the next video.